What you don't know can hurt you. Rapid-Dri.com.
While it may be overlooked, crawlspace conditions can have a negative impact on the living environment in your home. Today, we've teamed up with Rapid-Dri Waterproofing to explain to you everything about crawlspace encapsulation. Joining me is Mike Beaty. How you doing, Mike?
Hey Adam, thanks for inviting me on.
Can you give us an idea of what is crawlspace encapsulation?
Well, I guess the easiest way to put it, it's sealing your crawl space from water vapor and from moisture.
That sounds pretty interesting. Do you have any projects you can show us?
We actually have one going on right now. You want to go take a look?
Yeah, let's go. We're here in a homeowner's crawl space that was previously encapsulated. However, they had a flood because they didn't waterproof it properly in the beginning. Mike, tell me about this project.
What's on the wall here, Adam, is a 90 mil zero perm membrane that seals out any moisture, gas, water, anything that might try to come through the wall. It keeps it behind that way sealing or encapsulating the crawl space.
So Mike, you just explained to us about this white product called Zero Perm. What other products are necessary for crawl space encapsulation?
Well, Adam, first and foremost, we need to make sure that we have proper water drainage and we're able to get the water out and away from the home. Once that's been properly taken care of, we're going to want to start working on the floor, put our membrane down on the floor. We're going to want to run that up the walls. We're going to put a membrane on the wall, and then we're also going to want to start doing insulation.
So Mike, Michigan code requires a ventilated crawl space, and you and I both know from our experience that a properly encapsulated crawl space should have conditioned space. And I noticed in the trunk line of the heating cooling here, you guys have put a vent in. Can you tell me why?
Yeah, the reason that we add that vent, Adam, we want it to circulate air in the crawl space, and a lot of times when we're able to do that and when it's properly encapsulated, we reduce the chance of ever needing a dehumidifier.
So it cuts down on the moisture?
Yes.
We just learned about the benefits of crawl space encapsulation. However, I want to give you a couple more reasons why you should consider this. Number one is indoor air quality. Properly encapsulated, the indoor air quality in your house will dramatically improve. Another one is insulation. When you insulate your crawl space, you're going to save about 30% on your energy bill. So you might be asking yourself this question: how long does crawl space encapsulation take? Well, when I talked to Rapid-Dri, they told me the typical crawl space encapsulation project takes about 3 to 5 days. And if you want to know the cost, because every job is different, it's best to call them and get a free estimate. So we learned about some great benefits of crawl space encapsulation, like indoor air quality and energy savings. However, there's a lot more to learn. For more information, just visit hireitdone.com.
What you don't know can hurt you. Rapid-Dri.com.